Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is an interesting survey by Lansweeper. They actually looked at more than 30 million Windows devices across more than 60,000 organizations. So these are professional PCs. And, the finding is that in the CPU department for Windows 11, 55.6% of PCs did not meet the required minimum that Microsoft has actually done. So basically only 44.4% had the required CPU. In the RAM department, that was better. 91% were okay with the RAM, which is at least 4 gigabytes of RAM to run. Only 8.95%, so these probably much older PCs or really underrepresented PCs that of course don't have enough RAM. So the RAM department is not too bad. And the TPM, this is interesting. So 52.55% had TPM requirement of 2.0. 19.26 don't have the TPM 2.0. There's a 28% in there that is possibly just not enabled in the TPM department. But overall, what you see here is that, just taking into account the CPU department in organizations that were tested, so more than 30 million PCs, 55.6% don't have the minimum requirement for the CPU. So that's a lot of computers that can't upgrade to Windows 11, as you see here, and which is not surprising when you look at the minimum requirements for Windows 11 that are really set pretty high. So that's an interesting look here. So this is, of course, for business PCs. I don't know if we would do the same testing for like consumer PCs. I don't know how that would actually compare with business PCs, but interesting numbers. And we see here that more than half of PCs for enterprise cannot upgrade. So, we can round that to almost 60% of computers in enterprise that would not have the minimum requirement for Windows 11. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.